All right, let's take a look at this. Storms rolling through overnight put on a light show right there in Ross Township.
There you see it, that aggravated sky fueled by heat and humidity. And you know what? Today is expected to be really the same situation.
I know. So let's bring in First Alert meteorologist Ron Smiley now because, Ron, yesterday we were talking, it was so humid, hot.
Oh, yeah.
And no surprise, as we look at your map, as I've been watching all morning, there's a lot of moisture in the air, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, dew points that measure moisture at the surface is up near 70 degrees. Normally at this time of the year, we'd be near 60, maybe even into the 50s. And that's where we've been all week long up until yesterday. But then the dew point surged. We're at 68 with the dew point right now. We're looking at strong storms again being possible today. Now, this is going to be between 2 to 9 o'clock today. The highest risk of severe weather coming through with those strong windstorms again being the biggest concern that we are going to have. Speaking of storms, we actually have a very isolated storm up right along north of I-80. This is right on top of the Cool Springs area. There, here's some rumbles right now. That's going to be crossing over 79 over the next 10 minutes or so as that drifts off to the east. And we also have a very isolated shower going on up in Venango County. That's going to be just south of Oil City at this point. Main line coming in. It's going to be this afternoon. Now, this will be very quickly a boundary that'll slide by. As it does, it will bring us that chance for some rain and storms. Again, the window for this 2 o'clock through around 9 o'clock this evening. Further south you are, the stronger those cells are going to be. A lot of lightning, some downpours coming through with this, some gusty wind speeds as well as that slides by. It's not going to stick around all day long. In fact, most of your day is going to be dry. And not only dry, we're going to see some sunshine. It's a little hazy out there as we're starting off right now. Temperatures already up to 73 degrees with the winds out of the southwest at 7 miles an hour. Hey, I have our high temperatures up there near 90 degrees, and it will be dependent today on just how fast that rain gets here. 87, 88, maybe even 89 degrees for your high temperatures today in Pittsburgh. Sunburn time, it's going to be around 20 minutes today, so a lot of sunshine breaking through from that haze today. Don't let that fool you. And the break from the heat, I know a lot of folks are ready for that. When will it start to feel a little bit more comfortable? The good news for you, behind a cold front on Friday, look at that humidity level dropping briefly on Saturday. It spikes quickly on Sunday, and then we're down there very low. It's going to feel fantastic most of next week coming in. So our weather is going to be improving, at least when it comes to the comfort level being outside. 87 high temperature today. 10 o'clock, I'll put us at 83. 87 at 1 o'clock. Your 4 o'clock temperature there at 77 degrees. Thunderstorm chance is going to be there all day long, but our severe weather risk highest between 2 9 o'clock. 84 your Friday high, 83, but feels fantastic on Saturday. Another storm chance coming in on Sunday, and then look at next week. Couple of days in a row, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Just have us in the 70s for the highs.